Hi everyone, welcome to Win My Vote, how to create a group. So you can see here that I'm already signed in and I'm on my ballot page. If you don't have an account on Win My Vote, signing up is easy and free. You can sign up with a social media account or just an email address. And with that, you'll get your ballot and then you'll see here where it says My Groups. You can click on there to create an account, or you'll see this blue button over here that will say Create a Group, and you can click on that. And let's call this group Win My Vote. And Win My Vote is interested mostly in national issues, so I'll check that button. And good news that the name is not taken, so we have that name, and now we just need to build our page. And so we use this logo, and we'll crop it a little bit. Put it right there in the center. Should be good enough. And then here is sort of the main message. We can also fill out some other things like motto, and this is not the official motto, but let's say we want to say every vote counts, and we'll put that in there. And then we can put our Facebook page here, where you just click on this little edit button and put your Facebook URL, so that is in there. We can also put some information in here, right, which is see more information about the group or the organization. And this is just really a bio of the group or the organization. You can put text in there, hyperlinks, images, Here, these again are URL back to your home page where you have a page on volunteering. Same with the message, and if you have those things already set up, this will be real easy just to put the URL in there, hit save, and when the user clicks on that, they'll go directly to your donate page. So here's the main message, and we'll use a video for that, and we'll use this one.
And welcome to Win My Vote.
And this is our YouTube channel, so you just go down here to the share button, and you'll see that that will give you a URL to use as a share. And then one little trick on this is you'll want to make sure that you click embed and then show more, and then scroll down here and make sure all of these are not checked, right? They're unchecked. You don't want things playing in your video afterwards or suggesting other videos there. So we'll go back here and just do a cut and paste in there and hit save, and then you'll see your video appear here and it will play real time.
Hi, and welcome to Win My Vote. Win My Vote is a free vote.
And as far as the Twitter feed, we can just put in that. You just put in your Twitter handle there, and you'll see that that will appear here, and all your tweets will be updated again in real time. These will be for endorsements, and I can show you about that in a little while. These areas right here are add issue statements, and these are going to be, whatever you wanted. Let's say if your group or organization is focused on, jobs, right? You would put the title in there of jobs. You would put text if you want in here, and again you can add pictures or hyperlinks or anything you want, or you can just use a video. So for this one we'll just use a video, and we'll use the same one for purposes of time for this video, for this demo. So I'll click save here, and then that way the user will be able to see that this is a video, and it's a video about jobs. They can click on it and they can play it.
Hi, and welcome to Win My Vote. Win My Vote is...
And you can go back to the issues, and you can have 4 main issues here. And if you don't want to have 4, that's fine. You can have as many as you want, and then this grayed out window won't show, from the vote view of things. So that's about it as far as building the page. And then making endorsements, you'll see a green button here that will say Make Endorsements. If you want to endorse one of the presidential candidates, it's really easy, because you can just go right here to one of their stars and let's say you click on this star and it says, do you want to create a written or a video endorsement? And let's say, yep, we want to do a video endorsement, and again, for time, I'll just use the same share URL there, and that's it. And then I'll publish that that endorsement. As far as other candidates, let's say California, I want to endorse a candidate that's running for a local school board. His name is Ian, so I start typing that in, and then I see him here, and I click on there. I click his star, I click that, and yep, I have a video that I set up that I want to put there, and we'll put it right there. And that's it. As far as propositions go, I can click the state that I'm interested in, and this will give me all of the state propositions. So I can go down, click on Proposition 55, and we want to endorse Proposition 55. We want to say yes on that. So I click that, and again, the same process. You can either do written or the video there, and then that will be displayed on the user's site below here. So we'll go back, and if you wanted to do a local measure, then you can just find the county or the city here. I want to use San Francisco county, because San Francisco is a county and a city, and their measures will be all right here. And again, it's the same process. You click on that, and you click on yes, and you do the same process for that, and that is it. And then I'll bring you back to the ballot page real quickly and show you what the endorsements look like. So as a voter, this would be my ballot, and I would be looking at the presidential candidates, and I would see Evan McMullin here, and I would say, oh, he looks like he is endorsed by Win My Vote. And let me click on that and see what they have to say about him.
Hi, and welcome to Win My Vote. Win My Vote is a free voter engagement site designed with the needs of voters, groups, and candidates in mind.
And I can say great, and then if I choose that, I just favorite Evan, and when I go back to my ballot, he is now in the first position, and his nameplate's turned green, and then the percentage of favorites on this ballot is displayed. And this is just a demo ballot, so you'll see they'll change. And that is it. And from a group standpoint, the idea is that you reach out to your members, tell them to go to Win My Vote and sign up for a voter account, which is totally free, and groups are free as well. And favorite you or select you as a trusted source, and that's this process right here where you can click on trusted sources and select a group. For example, here's the Win My Vote group. I'm going to select them as a trusted source, and you'll see now that they're turned green and they're in my group of trusted sources, and there's some advantages of that I can go into later as far as being displayed most prominently or ahead of other groups that endorse that same candidate. And that's about it. So if you have any questions, please reach out. You can contact us at support@winmyvote.com, and in the subject line you can just put groups, and that will get to us, and I'll be happy to answer any of your questions. Thanks, bye.